Welcome to the 2-Minute Tech. In this episode, we'll install a horizontal economizer in the Renaissance Non-DDC commercial platform. The economizer kit includes the damper assembly, hood sections, barometric relief assembly, enthalpy sensor, the Honeywell Jade economizer controller, and wiring harness. We will cover the configuration of the Jade controller in another video. Remove the air filter access panel and lower cover. Remove the return access panel. Install the return access panel in the vent opening in the base of the unit. Lift and set the economizer damper assembly into the cabinet. Attach the left and right hand side hood panels using 4 screws on each side. Install the return air block-off plate over the top opening of the return access prior to the installation of the ductwork. Mount the outdoor air enthalpy sensor to the damper housing using the provided screws. A label indicates the correct location for the sensor. Connect the cable with the purple and white striped wire to the plug on the enthalpy sensor. Install the hood bottom panel between the 2 side panels using 3 screws on each side. Install the angled ring cap across the top of the economizer, securing with 1 screw on each side. Using the lower air filter access panel, previously removed, set it on top of the hood sides and slide it up under the ring cap. Secure with screws at the top edge only. Install the fresh air intake filters into the opening of the hood and attach the upper filter support rail to the bottom edge of the hood panel, securing with 3 screws. Attach the ductwork to the side of the unit. Cut an opening in the side of the ductwork for the barometric relief assembly. Attach the barometric relief assembly to the horizontal ductwork. Assemble the 2 small barometric hoods. Attach the angled side panels to the hood panel. Attach the barometric hoods over the barometric damper assembly. Seal all joints and seams per industry best practices. Locate the economizer wiring harness. Unplug the 3-wire jumper plug. Save this as it will be used in the next step. Connect the 12-pin male Molex plug to the 12-pin female Molex plug on top of the economizer damper assembly. On the other side of the economizer damper assembly, connect the 3-wire jumper plug to the 12-pin male Molex connector located near the motorized actuator. The jumper plug will not be used if an optional factory smoke detector is installed. Remove the blower access cover so the mixed air temperature sensor, with the orange markings on the label, can be installed. On the wiring harness near the top left-hand side of the blower compartment, locate the free 2-pin white Molex connector with black wires. Plug this connector into the temperature sensor and secure the temperature sensor to the wiring harness using a cable tie. Remove the control panel access cover. The Honeywell Jade economizer controller will mount in the left-hand side of the control panel. Using the provided screws, attach the controller to the panel. Attach the wiring harness to the controller. The 6-pin plug with the blue, gray, green, red, and purple wires connects to the connector marked with blue on the upper left side of the control. The 6-pin plug with the 2 orange, 2 yellow, brown, and red wires connects to the connector marked with gray on the lower right side. The 2-pin plug with the black wires connects to the connector marked with orange and MAT at the upper left side of the controller. The 2-pin plug with the purple wires connects to the connector marked with black and S-bus. The green ground wire with the ring terminal gets connected at the back of the control box with the provided screw. At the main control board, on the right side of the control panel, locate and disconnect the 15-pin Molex connector for the economizer. Connect the 15-pin male Molex connector to the female connector on the main control board. Connect the 15-pin female connector to the 15-pin male connector that was removed from the control board. Using cable ties, secure the new wiring harness to the existing cables across the top of the control panel. The installation of the horizontal economizer is now complete. See a follow-up video for programming the Honeywell Jade economizer controller and one on economizer commissionings. This concludes this episode of the 2-Minute Tech.